Hey TutorBudd fam, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the basic concepts of English grammar, the present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe actions that happen regularly, habits, routines, or general truths. It is formed by adding s or es to the base form of the verb for third person singular subjects. For example, I play tennis or he plays tennis. It is important to note that the simple present tense is not used to describe actions that are happening right now. Instead, we use the present continuous tense for that, which we will be discussing in our next video. Now, coming back to the simple present tense, let's look at some examples. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. She always brushes her teeth before going to bed. The sun rises in the east. They speak Spanish fluently. It rains today. Besides this, there are some common adverbs and phrases that are often used with the simple present tense. These include always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. For example, I always drink coffee in the morning, or she never eats breakfast. In conclusion, mastering the simple present tense is essential for developing effective and confident communication skills in English. By understanding how to use it correctly, you'll be able to communicate fluently and without ambiguity in various situations. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.